I'm gonna go ahead with the fluffy bow to put it on top of this. Hey y'all, we could all use a little inspiration when it comes to gift wrapping this time of year. So I've got some tricks that I've learned from Southern Living to make your gift wrapping a lot easier. The very first tip that I have learned over the years has been to really rein it all in. Gift wrapping and wrapping paper is one of my obsessions. So I collect wrapping paper. I have a whole wrapping closet. Stick to a color scheme. Start out at the beginning of the season, pick a color scheme that matches your decorations or one that you're really inspired by, and just go with that for your wrapping paper, your ribbons, and all of the other little accessories that you might tie on to your presents. For example, this year, red and white, it's classic, it's Christmas. It is great. It matches the decorations all over my house, so that's what I'm going with. If your house, you could do blue, you could do greens, really whatever. Stick to one color scheme, find ribbons that match it. I have so many different shades and textures of ribbons that you can add and decorate it. Of course, you can do in little pops of other colors, but for your big pieces, stick to a color scheme. It will make things a lot simpler. The second tip that I have learned is a bow tying trick that literally blew my mind when I learned it. One tip that I have learned for getting great presents that don't wobble when they are done wrapping. Take a really long piece of ribbon and you're gonna start with one end and you're gonna grab about 12 inches and put it this way. Then lift it up, wrap the long end of ribbon around it, and then you have a long end and a short end. Take the long end, wrap it underneath like so. There's your two-way. Then to get a four-way, take the long end again, wrap it underneath, and then you're going to take your longer end, wrap it on top, and there you have it, a perfectly four-way wrapped gift that doesn't wobble on the bottom. See how it's flat? It sticks flat on the table, on the floor, under the tree. It is gorgeous. So here is your base. If I would have cut my ribbon a little bit longer, I could have completed this bow to look like one very simple that you would tie your shoes, but I'm going to use it as the base for a fluffier bow. I have a trick for those. So you're gonna wanna use a sturdier ribbon like this one, like Grosgain. Don't try to do this with satin ribbon. It's a lot harder. A wired ribbon would be the perfect scenario for this. And so you're going to do what I like to call the bend and snap of wrapping, but it's actually the pinch and the twist. So you're gonna take just a little bit. This will be your hangover. And so I'm gonna start my bow around here, and then I'm gonna pinch it like this, twist it like so, and create a loop. I'm going to pinch it again, twist it again, and then come around and make another loop on the opposite side. Twist it again, same thing. Keep going around the ribbon, kind of alternating sides as you go. And stick to an odd number of loops. An odd number looks a lot better than an even number in all things decorating. Snip that off. And then you can attach it to your gift with your hangover on the side. Once you get it tied and secure, really it is just a fluffing game. Fluff it until it is full and really pretty. And once you get it looking pretty good, you can snip your edges. I really like to create a edge that is like with the V instead of a straight or diagonal edge. And so all you would do for that is just fold your ribbon like this and snip it at an angle like so. And there you have a perfectly symmetrical, and I really think this just finishes off your gift. So easy. really pretty and no wobbly gifts here. The very last tip and trick that I have learned for gift wrapping is really to personalize your gifts for the person you are gifting them to. So this is a beautiful present, don't get me wrong, but to make it extra special for whoever you're giving it to, you can customize the gift tag or additions to your present. So let's say this gift is for your dog. You could put a dog toy or a dog bone tied on the gift. It's really cute. If this gift is for your mom or a cook in your life, you could attach a wooden spoon or a spatula with their gift tag. It's another extra gift and it's really cute under the tree. Maybe this is for a little girl. You could put a small little wooden doll that looks so cute on there. Maybe an ornament with their name attached. Or if this is like a gift that you keep under your tree for any kind of house guest that comes unexpected, but you don't want to be empty-handed, you could do something that's literally evergreen and attach rosemary or Christmas tree clippings to your gift, and it is so pretty and finishes it off. And that is it. I am always on the lookout for new gift wrapping techniques or ideas. If you have any, please share them with me on Instagram at ivyotum. Take a picture, tag me. I love to see what y'all are doing in your real lives that I do on Hey Y'all. If you like this video, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share. If you're watching on YouTube, click the bell so you never miss an episode of Hey Y'all. Happy gift wrapping. I will see y'all soon. Bye, y'all.